Are you looking for how you can use Blender Grease Pencil along with Autodesk Maya to create your own stylized animations like those seen in the Spider-Verse series? Our enrolled students have been asking for professional workflows and insights into how Blender's Grease Pencil is being used to create groundbreaking stylized animations and effects for movies such as the Spider-Verse series, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem, and the Arcane television series. In this foundational course, we will be learning the fundamentals of using Blender's Grease Pencil along with Autodesk Maya and everything you need to get started to create a fully animated sequence from scratch. We'll cover how to apply stylized 2D sketch lines and effects to your animated renders using Blender's Grease Pencil, exactly how professionals are using this tool in the industry. We'll cover the following core skill sets: the planning process for creating an animated cinematic sequence from scratch, how to establish your conceptual ideation with preliminary concept art, storyboard creation and best practices, how to create and work with a 2D animatic inside of Blender, how to sculpt a character in 3D from concept art with Blender, how to set up and utilize Blender Grease Pencil, how to use Blender's Grease Pencil to create incredibly stylized 3D renders with 2D line work details, how to use Blender Toon Shader to create stylized 3D character assets, how to use Blender's texture paint, how to work with Blender geometry nodes, rigging the character in 3D to take advantage of motion capture and online 3D animation libraries, how to animate the character in Autodesk Maya using both keyframe and motion capture animation, how to use virtual cameras with iPhone motion capture plugins, how to export cameras and animation from Maya to Blender for Grease Pencil rendering, Alembic procedural animation creation for 3D environment assets, how to create 2D animation effects in Blender to enhance 3D animated character renders. Lastly, we will cover best practices for music and sound effects timing and creation for your cinematic project. This course features 2 university instructors who have over 25 years of experience. Learn how to plan, design, sculpt, rig, and animate characters with stylized renders enhanced with 2D sketch lines using the exact same workflows industry professionals use to create some of your favorite animated characters. Enroll today and begin your journey into the exciting creative world of Blender Grease Pencil production workflows for beginners.